Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to Wix for domain management. This is especially useful when you want to give someone access to help manage your website's domain settings without sharing your main account credentials. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First things first, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website to proceed. This takes you to the main workspace where you can manage all your site settings and configurations. Now you'll see a preview of your website settings. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website you want to add a user to for domain management. It's always good to double check, especially if you manage multiple sites under your account. This ensures you're granting access to the right project. From this page, locate the Design Site button positioned at the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to move forward. This action will redirect you to the next stage of the process. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to designing and configuring your site. From here, locate the Settings menu positioned on the top left part of your screen and click on it. The Settings menu is your gateway to all the deeper configuration options Wix offers. The Settings menu will expand, revealing several options. From here, locate Roles and Permissions and click on it. This section is crucial because it controls who has access to your website and what level of control they have. Under the Roles and Permissions page, click on the plus Invite Collaborators button. This opens up the invitation interface where you can add new team members. Under the Invite Site Collaborators page, start by entering the email address of the person you wish to assign as your domain manager. Make sure the email is correct to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. Then, under the General Roles section, you'll see a list of roles with their respective access levels. Since we're looking to add a domain manager, it's safe to use the Website Manager role for this person. This role provides comprehensive access to manage domain settings without giving them full account control. Click on the checkbox beside Website Manager, then click on Send Invite located on the top right corner of this dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully added a user to Wix for domain management, giving them the access they need to help you manage your site's domain effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.